Okay. If you will go ahead and sign in here, it will take you to the portal account. But I'll suggest you, initially you might be new to the DevOps, you might be struggling for that. I understand. Okay. So that's why I'm teaching you this. You have to go ahead and click on the start free. You wanted to go for the free only. Okay. So let's go with the start free. Click on it. Okay. So this is your portal for your DevOps here. Okay. If anyone wanted me to create their account in the DevOps, quickly send me your email IDs in that chat box. If not, then I'll go with my existing one. Okay. If anyone wanted me to send a create account on your behalf, please send me the chat box. I'll take your email ID and create it out. If not, then I'll go with my current account. Anyone? Let them give some priority to online guys. Okay, Ganesh has sent to me. So I'll use the Ganesh account first. Okay, so this is the email ID actually, right? So I'll go ahead and click on the use another account. I'm already having it, right? So let's go with the use another account. Let's go in, click it here, right? And what you have to do, buddy, you have to click on the, oh, this is sign in. I don't have any account in that, right? So I have to first sign in. Okay, so let me cut it out and click into the create one. Okay. I'm sorry, Barid already got it from Ganesh. Pardon me. Okay. Okay. So you have to go with this name, his account, Ganesh account. I clicked it. What happened? Let me take the username from his chat box. Let me paste it out here and I'll go with the next. Ganesh, you already having an account in the DevOps, it seems. Okay. So I have to go with Barid then. You already having account, it seems. So let me go with the Barid. Okay. Right. You may already have an account with that. Everyone is having account. If you have account here, don't give him your email IDs, please. Someone, anyone who don't have account here? You don't have? Tell me the email ID. Already having. Okay, we have Lalita Kumari. Okay, let's see. Already having, then no need to create. Oh. I'll log in while I leave it. Okay, let's log in. I'll try to log in and I'll tell you other steps. Okay. So Lalita, you might be getting your code. Can you please give me your KL Lalita? Can you give me the code in your email ID? Shall I send it? Okay. I will be sending that code to you. Okay. Quickly go and see your code in your Gmail ID, Lalita Kumari 1020@gmail.com. Can you please have a look? Let me know real quick. Please give me the code here.
టీచర్ చెప్తుంది ఓకేనా.
Okay, 578230. Okay, let me come here and drop this code over here. Right? Okay, right? Okay, go here. So it will take me to my DevOps landing page. Okay, this is the DevOps page. Can you see here? It says that Azure DevOps, get started with Azure DevOps. Okay, the email ID will be in the top, right? And then you have a country to choose. So which country you belong to, you just choose that. Okay, I'm gonna go for the India and let's go get started with the India and continue. Okay, clear here? Right? Very good. Now understand please. This is something that you have to create the organization name. You have to create the organization. See, let's see you are working for Wipro. You'll go for the Wipro. Any organization in the whatever you're working it. I want all the concentration on the screen, not any other place, please. Okay. So your name should be here, right? So let's see that I'm looking for the training now. Okay, Azure training something. Azure training, right? Good. So where will host your project? So I'm in the South India only, right? So I'll go with the South India. Come down. We have to give the our captcha. So RYV. Help. Correct me if I'm typing anything wrong. 555Q. Right now? Yes, buddy. Sorry. Oh, it's already taken by someone. Okay, let me make it out this Azure training one. Okay, and this got fail it seems. Okay, Y capital, and one also has been taken by someone. Let me make it 91. Okay, continue. Your DevOps organization should be unique one. Okay. Right. So this is your like page after the organization being created, you will be getting that. Right. So Azure training 91 is your like page that will be coming out here. Now you have to create your project name. Understand, guys? We have two ways to create the project. One is the public, another one is the private. Public, see, you can create the public also. It's not a problem. We have to do the setting, then you can change it. I'll tell you how. Okay, if you come down here, okay, you'll have the projects, right? Come down here. Okay, come down, settings. Okay, come down 1 minute. It would be uses, extension, policies, permissions. Okay, 1 more minute, just a minute. Storage, repository, parallel job, deployment, agent pool, process, permissions, policies. Yeah, you have a policy here. If you enable this option here in your organization setting, you can able to create the public project also, right? You have to enable that. You get the point? You have to enable, then only you'll get an option to create. But I will not be doing it. I'll tell you why I'm not doing it. Okay? Let me go back to my organization now. If anyone wanted to create a public also, they can create it. No doubt at all. Okay? You have to come back to your policies and you have to enable that from there. Then only you can get it enabled here. So if you see here, this is visible. If you would have enabled there, this will also get enabled here. Okay. But I suggest you big no for the public. I'll tell you why bit later. Okay. Don't worry. So you have to give the project name. Let's see. I'm giving the name called Azure. What is that? Which batch this is? 9 AM batch, right? July. Right. I already have a 9 batch over previous month. That's why I am to make it some different. Okay. Azure 9 AM July month. Right. Description is nothing. It is just description for about your project, for what you are creating the object. Let's say you're working for the friend's book. For what reason you are doing it, creating it out. Okay. So this is just a description kind of thing. Okay. Now we have a public. Advanced is something like it will choose you something like Git, basic and all. It will ask you agile model and all. That's fine. It's not a problem. It's not big important. Okay. So let me click on the create project. So it will go ahead and create one project actually. When you are creating the project, okay, then all the different component of Azure DevOps would be coming up. 90% of your task will go around this only. In real time, your 90% of time will be 4 hours you decided, right? 3 to 3.5 hours 3 hours will go in this only. Okay, here only, right? Let's understand how. Actually, in the project 9 AM project July, we have a different components in the left hand side. Okay, and you can see here also, dear, right? Board, repo, pipeline, test plan, artifact. Board is Azure board. We'll discuss that. Repo, pipeline. Test plan only will not discuss. This will come into your test management part. Okay. The QA manager basically they'll take. But I'll tell you what is that in that. Okay. Fine. Now this is the option you are having in the screen. Now let me take you here. What is this? This is for the private members, right? But doesn't mean that this is private. This is restricted to you only. If you want, you can, let's see. If Lalita wanted to invite me on her project, she can invite me. How? She has an option of here. Click here, right? And she can invite me with the help of my Azure training. Okay, Hyderabad1@gmail.com. Do you get the point? Azure training Hyderabad1. This is my email ID actually with the DevOps account. I am having it. So she can invite me with here. So she is inviting me. Can you see here what is that? Invite member to add. We'll not be having only one member, right? In the team. We'll have 10 members. So all the 10 members can be invited in your project. Did you get the point? Okay? Right? No? Everyone guys, okay? So we can invite all the 10 members in that with the help of invite button, right? Like I have invited from her account to myself, right? Good. So it is saying that has not assigned an access level, will attempt to assign a stakeholder. Fine, that's fine, leave it. Let me try to add it. So we'll get a notification somewhere in my account, okay? So access added user for this, okay? So to the message, how many members can, you can go up to 10, okay? 10 without any doubt, you can able to go with that, okay? But if we are using the pay-as-you-go, like I'm using the pay-as-you-go, so it's my choice. I can able to move and go with it because I'm paying XYZ of amount for the service. Okay, so I have taken the pay-as-you-go subscription, right? Fine. So let me go here. So you have already invited here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to my account. Okay. I'll try to log in my DevOps here. dev.azure.com. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Okay. So are you able to access her account? If you got access, I cannot able to access her account. I could be able to work on access her project. Her projects, okay? Do you get the point, Aniket? Yeah, dear. So this is a different account, it seems. Okay, let me log into my account. So this is my account, okay? I'm in the Naveen training account here, and I have an organization called Training Naveen 11. In that, I'll go back to here. Okay, so I'm over here now. Let's understand here. Okay, let's understand here. Now I cannot see that project here, but Lalita has added to me. So what might be the reason? Perfect. Okay, good. So I have to go to my email IDs real quick. Okay, I have to go my email ID. Sometime you might get the email ID a little bit late also, so don't worry at all. But let's see if I have got it or not. Yes, I have got it. Azure DevOps has sent a mail to me with you have invited to a project in Azure DevOps. Okay, so let's see and join. Now, who has invited me? Lalita invited me, right? Okay, right. So I don't have permission to go at your access account is not authorized to view this space. Go ahead, make sure URL is correct or not. Okay, so that I'll go and list it out here. Yep, buddy, hold on. Okay, hold on, dear, hold on. Okay, I'll come to you that after I'll give you the setting how to access that. Okay, so now I'm in the Lalita account now, right? So let me refresh this space. So I have invited already Naveen, and I have to give in the permission to Naveen also. That I'll be doing it a bit late in 10-15 minutes of time. Hold on. So invite, you understand it, right? Private is already known at. Okay, now actually we do have different settings to do it. Okay, your choice. You go to the project setting. Let me click it out. Okay, and you have this option of teams. Okay, right. If you have option of team, how many users are there now? 2. One is myself and one is Lalita itself. Okay, so you can go ahead and click it here. And if you wanted to start initiation of the chat or anything, you can able to do it out. Okay, that's not a problem. If you want to do some setting as a default, that also we can do. It's already default one. At what case we'll make it default? We have a 4-5 teams. We have only one. That's why it is by default. It is default only. Okay, good. Let's discuss more in upcoming sessions. Let me come and take you to some components here. Okay, it is there, dear. It is there, already invited. You have to check in your emails. Okay, you have to check in your emails, Jitender. Right? Okay. Now we have a component in the left hand side here. This is all your component starts from here: board, repo, pipeline, test plan, artifact. That is our main job. Okay, our life would be dependent, our career is totally dependent on these 3, 4, 5 tasks only. Okay, we'll make a coordination of portal, no doubt at all, but majorly we'll work on this only, being a DevOps engineer. Okay, we'll take the services from DevOps, no doubt. We have to take the services, but this is also important for you, right? Understand? Now this overview, summary, dashboard is a normal thing. Okay, have a look here. Overview means it is all about the project overview. It will give you. If you would have given any description of the project, it would have come here. Right, boss? Everyone here? Good. Let me go to the summary. Where is that summary? Same thing, set of thing will come. Next, go with the dashboard. Dashboard is a landing page. It will be landed. Okay, so that will be saying the dashboard here. I don't have anything. If I want to add some widget, like app service, you have phone, right? You wanted to keep the WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger on top, right? That is something all about that. Wikipedia. If you wanted to, let's see, this project is for public use, so you can go ahead and create some Wikipedias on top of it. Okay, like this is for friends book. So for what purpose this is? For why it is creating this? What is the use of that? Everything detail you can able to keep it out here in the Wikipedia. You can create a public Wikipedia and you can publish to the real world. So you see it, create it and publish it. No need to work on this, okay? Because these all tasks could be taken care by, okay, in the organization, guys. Okay, in organization we'll have one guy. I'm not able to recall his name. What is the name? Content writer. Okay, content writer. You might have heard it also. His task is to write something details about the product, actually, a project. Those guys are called as a content writer, basically. Right, nobody? Clear? Okay, good. If it is clear, can I move to the board today only or shall I go on the Monday? You guys are not confused, no? Or you're not saying that I'm overloaded, right, today? I haven't discussed anything yet. Just now we joined, right? Huh? Right now? All good, right? I'm like, at least board. Okay, no problem. I will not be teaching the board, but at least I can walk through, right? What we'll do in the board, what we'll do in that what is it? Repo, what is the pipeline? That at least I want to walk through, no? Right? Okay, good. So, dear, understand, please. If you're having something over here, board, I'll go to the board first. So, this is my board section, right? So, board is nothing. It will be maximum used by you and your leader and your very good folks, Scrum Master. Okay, so he will check it what Naveen is working now, because he'll not, let's see, we have thousands of employees in the organization, right? We have thousands of employees in the organization, right? They cannot go and track your things every time, right? So what we'll do in that case, okay, they will come and see your board. Okay, they'll come and see your board only. Okay, what Naveen is working, how many tasks he is having it. Everything will come under the board only, dear. Now, what we're gonna learn here, we're gonna learn all these steps. Work item is the first thing. Then we'll go with the board. We'll give you have to work on this, right? Okay, work item is the first thing, right? Board will be there second thing. Backlog, sprint, queries, delivery plan. Okay. Can you see the backlog? We discussed just for some time back, no? Product backlog, similar to that here also. So this will look like similar to the Jira. Jira. Don't get confused. Jira is a tool actually. Every software engineer should understand about the Jira. Jira is just a tool which will be able to track your work, Okay, on the Jira. I haven't included the content Jira in my to-do list, but Monday class, before I move to the board, please someone let me know. I'll create an account in the Jira on your behalf. I'll show you how this is similar to the Jira. And everyone should understand what is the Jira. Don't think this is something queuing or all, okay? I have a very bad experience, I'll tell you a very good. Just I'll take you 5 minutes of time. My cousin, okay, some relative's cousin actually, he came. So he learnt, testing. He was from civil background. He don't know ABCD of computer also. He learnt it very good. He learnt Selenium. He learnt everything he learnt. But he forgot to learn, test management tool. He got a job also. When he went to the organization, someone asked him to create a ticket on the Jira. Now he was got surprised. What he's talking about the Jira? I have seen the Jira powder, Jira and everything. We have seen Jira water, right? Jira water, everything I have seen. What is the ticket in the Jira? So he called me. That is real thing I'm saying. I'm not playing any joke here. Really, this is not a joke. He has called me because he put expense later. Okay. So then I told him there is a tool actually. Say now, yes, I'll create it and come home. I'll teach you. So this is something you should also know that. Okay. Jira is a test management tool, you can say. Similar to the Jira, we have many tools in the market. TFS, Team Foundation Server, Jira, ALM. Then what else? What else, buddy? Okay, then Test Link. Okay, many more are there. But famous are there in the market is a Jira only, TFS only. Okay, Jira is a famous because it's free of cost available in the market. Okay, HPLM, Quality Center. Okay, like that it is there. Fine. So remind me maybe Monday or Tuesday. Just remind me Monday or Tuesday. I'll teach you the Jira. I'll not teach you. This is not a topic of our Azure DevOps, but I can give you idea what is the Jira, how to create a ticket and all. I'll tell you. Okay, fine. So where is? Okay, so this is all about a board here. So we'll learn work item. What is a work item? Like user stories, task, okay, bug. This all will come into the work item. Okay, right. Boards, I told you already, where the screen where we'll able to see all the details of the part, right? That is a board. Backlog. What is a backlog? 200 scenarios, right? That will come into the backlog. Queries is nothing. Okay, sprint, agile. Sprint that we have discussed today and yesterday, right? That I'll be doing on the Monday class. Okay, I'll be showing that. Not sure I can complete on the Monday, but it'll go on the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So entire week we will be on this topic only. Board repo. It'll take 2 weeks or 1 week of time to complete only these two topics, board and repo. And I can plan for the pipeline also. Okay, 1 week entirely will go with this only. Fine. So sprint will come into the part of agile. We'll create a new sprint. We'll do some sprint planning. Okay, so we have an option of capacity planning. I can show you also, no worries. Let me go to the sprint. I don't have anything, no, that's why it is coming here, okay. Okay, so you have this set date. Let's see your sprint is gonna start today. Okay, so let's see your sprint gonna start on Monday, yeah. Okay, 10th. And when it will get ended, if you follow in 2 weeks of time, on 21st. Okay, so save and close. So it is not started, right? But we can do the capacity planning. How many resources are there right now? 2. Who all are working here? Naveen is, Azure training is working and Lalita is working. Similar to that, we can invite some more guys. Yes or no? We can invite few more guys. So let's see. I'm giving Lalita task of deployment. She is a DevOps guy. No, I'm a DevOps guys. Let's see, Lalita will work for development, right? And daily, how many hours? Okay, buddy, per day capacity. Here we cannot calculate our capacity in minutes, seconds, or something. It should be always in the hours only. Okay, let's see 5 hours. So I will work for 5 hours and she has to work, okay, for 4 hours. Imagine that. Okay. So out of that, how many days, let's see, I wanted to be on off someday. So give when to when you will be off. Let's say I'll be off on 11th to 11th. Okay. So how many days I'll be working? Only 9 days. So this is all things we'll discuss it in the coming classes. Okay. Sprint planning and all we'll do it. Now, today onwards, no theory. Theory is over for the day. Okay. Anyway, you'll be getting your Google Classroom on Wednesday. Mr. Shrikant has already told to you. Online guys, your link will get expired. This link will be valid only till the Tuesday only. Before that, Wednesday onwards, our link will get changed. Okay. And then after that, what to say? We'll move ahead and we'll try to discuss on the new link. So you'll be getting the notes, recording and everything. You came to know that here. Okay. Fine. What else then? Okay. Sprint is over. Right. So queries and all, we'll see that. Repo we'll see for some time. Repo. Okay. What is the repo, my dear friends? Repo means to store your files, codes and everything. So I'll be taking from the fresh. It's not an existing one. It's a new team, right? So I'll be moving ahead with a new team. So what I'll do, I'll log into my system and then I'll work on this. And this will be applicable to Lalita system also. Right, folks? Okay. So I will not be taking much time. This is your Saturday. I don't want to spoil whole of your day. Okay. Anyway, I took you 1.5 hours also. So let's discuss this on the Monday class. Agenda for the Monday is to go and deep digger into the boards, only boards. Okay, fine. And practical will get started from Monday onwards. Today, what you can do for the assignment is you can create the account in Azure DevOps. Okay, create the account, create your your project organization that you can do. You wanted to go with the public and private, no? That also you can try it. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I'll stop it here. If anyone have a